What do I do?
Ken just got his package, so he's gonna do an unboxing video.
Hi guys. It's not Friday. It's Monday. It's Monday, right? It's Monday.
It's Monday.
It's Monday, and I got my package from SelectDraw. Don't try to look at my address because I blacked it out. So we're gonna open this up and see what it's like. I was actually only supposed to get this package on Tuesday, but wasn't supposed to get it till Tuesday. So. Got some peanuts. Nice little thank you from SelectDraw cigar cutter.
Oh, that's cute.
Ooh, a little sticker. It's hard to see. Invoice, blah blah blah. You don't need to see that. Oh, look at that. I didn't know if they were still sending them with it, but you looks like it's another one of the actual cigar cutters that you got with the order of this. They said they were doing it for a limited time, so I thought it was over. I'm going to assume it's silver because the black one was sold out. And it's silver.
Oh, nice.
So
And you
got
have
the
one,
black
right?
and silver one now. So that shipped along with it. And now we'll get to the main thing. Seems like it's in a nice package. Nice case. Project Carbon. Project Carbon. Don't mind the cat. Nice leather on the outside. Smells like leather. A little sleeve on the outside. And you open it up. Well, bam. Got your spot for cigars. Then little spots for your lighters and your cutters. And then the SelectDraw cutter will go into that little band. So I'm very excited for this. Very happy for a new travel humidor. Again, it's made by SelectDraw cigar cutters. And yeah, that's all I got to say. I will get some cigars, put some stuff in there, and actually start using this today.
Now, do you put it in the bag when you take it, or no?
I don't think so. I think the bag was just a way to
ship it.
Ship it, maybe. I don't know.
And
I don't think you have to put it in the bag, but you can to protect the leather. So that was a short unboxing video of the.
Do you want to show the little compartments, or?
I did.
Oh, okay.
I showed all that.
Gotcha.
She's nagging me. No. I'm kidding. But now it's time to have a cigar after work and have a drink. So remember to grab a stogie and enjoy the lounge.